The Model Thinker by Scott Page. Hello and welcome to our book review. To become wise, you've got to have models in your head. And you've got to array your experience, both vicarious and direct. On this latest work of models, Charlie Munger. This is an amazing book that I'm here to review for you. It's made up of a large number of chapters based on the concepts presented in the first couple of chapters. So there are around 29 chapters covering different aspects of modeling and simulation. Now, as somebody who is accustomed to looking at models and simulation models, this is a very difficult topic to cover, a very difficult area to cover, and Professor Page has done an immense job. So let's get down to the details. The first chapter talks about the approach taken by Professor Page, that one model is not enough, and you need to have different models, different type of data to present a complex system. Then he takes the approach of asking a question: why model? Why even model? Why even bother to model? So starting with the zero model. So you start with no models at all, and then why do we need to model things, and what kind of systems need modeling? And the third chapter is about the science of many models. In the fourth one, he talks about human actors. And from here onwards, starts with the mathematical, statistical aspects such as normal distributions, power law distribution, long tails, linear models, concavity, convexity, models of values and power, network models, broadcast, diffusion, contagion, entropy. So a lot of these models, so statistical, Markov models, system dynamics models, game theory, and so on. And finally, he moves to the machine learning models and multi-armed random problems. And in the end, he spends around 20-30 pages on something called notes. So this is a very well organized book, and he talks about very complex topics, but he puts them in a very lucid manner. So I think it must have taken him a very long time to do that. It seems like a lifetime of effort, though, and the book is very well edited, very nice to read. So this is definitely a book which I would recommend reading. I'll just end by giving quotation from him. He says, for example, do we patent knowledge? So he's actually asking the reader to think about a lot of things as well. So our well-being rests atop a centuries-old accumulation of knowledge that includes the laws of physics, the combustion engine, double entry accounting, the germ theory of disease, X-rays, and HTML. Knowledge is often a public good. Knowledge is always non-rival. You see how he structures the sentences small, nice to read, and so I would say this is many times a PhD thesis. So with that, I hope this review has been helpful, and we hope to see more books from Professor Page, especially that it's now quarantine time, so I hope we can have some more new books from him. Okay, take care and bye-bye. Stay safe.